Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am yet back with another amazing video for you guys that you have been asking a lot from the comment section and my personal chats. कि यार जॉब कैसे ले, how to get correct referrals, how to get referral on various social media platforms and what's the right format, what's the perfect template, किसी से भी कनेक्ट कैसे करें, किसी से भी LinkedIn पे रिक्वेस्ट कैसे करें रेफरल के लिए and all these topics that I have received so far and I thought this is one video that needs to be on my channel क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है. I have got all my job offers from different various companies are only by referrals. मैं लोगों को पर्सनली डीएम करता था, उनको अपना रिज्यूम शेयर करता था एक टेम्पलेट के साथ and after that I was able to get the correct referral. And as soon as I get a referral, there was chances that I was shortlisted for interview process and I was moving forward with the interview. So with the start of this video, I would like to share all my thoughts, all my learning so far with the process of referral on specifically on LinkedIn, but you can extend to other social media platforms as well. So before starting with the video, let me thank the supporter of this channel, Newton School. So guys, what is Newton School? न्यूटन स्कूल एक एडटेक स्टार्टअप है जहाँ पे यू कैन लर्न मोर अबाउट डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज आउट देयर. दे विल हेल्प यू गेट जॉब ऑफर फ्रॉम दीज टॉप टेक कंपनीज एंड उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको ₹1 भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. दे हैव वेरी गुड ऑफरिंग्स विद दिस कोर्स, लाइव क्लासेस, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोजेक्ट्स, मॉक इंटरव्यूज एंड पर्सनल मेंटरिंग. I will put the link in the description and I suggest you all to check this out and explore this. So folks, क्या वो चीज़ें हैं जिनका हमें ध्यान रखना है? What's the correct template? What's the perfect template? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता perfect template. Every guy or every person has their own way of asking for referral, but there are some things that are needed to be kept in the mind while asking for a referral. So first thing that comes with the message is the salutation. जब भी आप किसी को message refer कर रहे हैं, so if the other person is of the female gender, you should refer with that kind of salutations and not the other one, क्योंकि उससे सीधा आइडेंटिफाई हो जाता है कि आपको सामने वाले का जेंडर आइडेंटिफाई नहीं हो रहा है और समथिंग लाइक यू आर नॉट इवन ट्राइंग टू नो द पर्सन, यू आर जस्ट कॉपी पेस्टिंग द मैसेज फ्रॉम एवरी प्रोफाइल. सो with the first line itself, you should know that salutation should be perfect in the message. Second comes with something like refer me for anything positions like this or something like that. So if you are not clear about some positions, you should not ask for referral. आपके माइंड में स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए कि इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर काइंड ऑफ रेफरल, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एसडीईटी टेस्टिंग प्रोफाइल रेफरल, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट रेफरल्स, आर यू लुकिंग फॉर अ सेल्स पोजीशन रेफरल, तो आपके माइंड में एक पोजीशन का एक क्लियर पिक्चर होना चाहिए एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू कन्वे और ट्रांसफर दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट टू द अदर पर्सन इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल. सो बी क्लियर विद द पोजीशन पार्ट. अगर आप उसे करेक्ट रेफरल पोजीशन नहीं बता पाएंगे तो वो रेफरल नहीं देगा आपको, बिकॉज all the people who are working, they have a very hectic life, they have a lot of things that are on their plate and they might not give enough importance with their mind just to look for a particular kind of position if you are vague in your terms, and if you are also, it gives them another wrong impression that you are not sure about the position that you are interested in. Third thing that comes into the picture is job link. बहुत सी बार पीपल आस्क फॉर सम रेफरल बट दे डू नॉट प्रोवाइड द जॉब लिंक. सो एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर के लिए किसी ने मुझे रेफरल के लिए पिंग किया, बट अगर उन्होंने भूल गए कि मुझे ये जॉब लिंक के लिए चाहिए, तो मेरी कंपनी में देयर माइट बी हंड्रेड्स और टेंस ऑफ रेफरल पोजीशन अवेलेबल, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर फॉर डिफरेंट प्रोफाइल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रंट एंड, बैक एंड, फुल स्टैक, iOS, Android, और मे बी समथिंग लाइक 4 year experience, 2 year experience, फ्रेशर, 10 year experience, समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो आपको बी क्लियर होना पड़ेगा अपने जॉब रेफरल के लिए कि मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोफाइल के लिए चाहिए. You can ask for, I think most of the people are open for that, but you can definitely ask for multiple referrals for multiple positions. So there could be something like a fresher opening as well, and something like a 2 year experience. But you can ask for both referrals at the same time, or something like if you are interested in, you know, both front end and back end, and you can apply for both specific front end and back end profiles, as well as something like a full stack profile in the referral message. But be clear and always provide a job link with the message, so that the other person might know that this is the exact profile that you are looking for. इवन इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स समवन लाइक मी टू रेफर दैट अगर आपके रिज्यूम में जो स्किल्स मैच कर रही हैं वो मेरे उस जॉब लिंक में जो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के लिए है, आर दे ओवरलैपिंग और नॉट. अगर वो आपके रिज्यूम से मैच नहीं करेंगी, आई वोंट बी एबल टू रेफर यू बिकॉज वो रेफरल वेस्ट हो जाएगा. एंड certainly companies track these referrals. For example, I am putting out hundreds of referrals in some way, but if they are not converting, then they might degrade the score of every future referral. So आपको generally people who are referring to the other person, they try to give good referral because that increases their score, and they will get a higher chance in the upcoming interviews, right? So that's one thing. So आपको job link provide करना होता है. Last thing is about something called skills. So in the message, if you are not providing the right set of skills, for example, for a software engineer, it could be something like if you are working on front end, like what front end technology framework, how many years of experience, what are different skills, what are different kinds of instruments that you are interested in. For example, if you have fintech experience, if you have insurance tech experience, you have something like ed tech experience. तो आपको explicitly mention करना होगा in the message, because that gives me an idea, because आप एक perfect candidate हैं for that profile. If you are not try to convince me, if you're not able to try to convince me, you cannot convince the other person to consider for you an interview itself. So आपको मुझे convince करना है, and so that I can put a referral, and then that referral will go to the HR, that they can go through and understand and relate that this person is perfect for this position, and let's move forward with the interview process. I think ये मेन 4 थिंग्स है जो मेरे माइंड में आती, जो एक रेफरल के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है, दैट्स अ मस्ट. बट इसके अलावा आप और क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं? यू कैन ऐड समथिंग लाइक अ पोर्टफोलियो लिंक, दैट आई ऑलवेज डू. देयर इज ऑलवेज कॉन्टेक्स्ट. तो आपको अपने रेफरल के साथ, इफ यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड द लिंक, यू शुड ऑलवेज, और आई थिंक you should always put the resume in the message itself, because without resume I cannot put a referral. हर referral position के लिए there is a mandatory column in the portal that you have to upload the resume of the person. So what I would recommend कि आप हर message के साथ अपना resume attach करना ना भूलें, because if you have not attached the resume, I cannot go over your profile, I cannot look for your skills, your past experiences and professional experience बिना consider करे, I cannot refer you for the positions. क्योंकि ऑफन ऐसा होता है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर प्रोफाइल के लिए आप मुझसे रेफरल रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, या किसी एक्सवाइजेड प्रोफाइल की रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, यू हैव अ 2 year एक्सपीरियंस एंड यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग अ रेफरल फॉर 5 year एक्सपीरियंस प्रोफाइल. सो अगर आपने रिज्यूम दिया, आई कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट हाँ यहाँ पे देयर इज अ करेक्ट सेट ऑफ ओवरलैपिंग फीचर्स और क्वालिफिकेशन एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया जो जॉब लिंक के लिए भी है. और आई थिंक you should be patient enough to ask for the connection request and then wait for that connection request to be accepted and then send a message. And if you have sent a message, it should not be something like आपने भेजा next 1 hour में आपको referral मिल जाएगा. You should be patient enough. हाँ, so the other person might be busy on the other side, so they might need some time to look over the particular job ID. They might particular time need to look over your LinkedIn profile or your resume and understand and put a referral. It takes a couple of minutes to put a referral because there are multiple fields that need to be filled by the person. Okay, there is also one misconception or a myth that is revolving around referral. A referral doesn't guarantee a job interview. A referral is just an option for the employees to refer their known people. It does not guarantee an interview. So for example मैं आज आपका referral put कर रहा हूँ. It does not guarantee that you will definitely receive a call for the interview process, or even if you will definitely receive a call. HR person take their own time. It's just their own preference. They will prefer referrals or the request from the own employees over the people who are putting over the career page, who are applying over the career page. क्योंकि यार आप खुद समझिए, एक कंपनी के पास एक पोजीशन के लिए हो सकता है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट और गूगल जैसे लोगों के 1000 पे रिक्वेस्ट आ सकती है, एंड गोइंग थ्रू दोस 1000 resumes, 1000 profiles is a hefty task. So they will definitely prefer those persons who are already part of organization because they know a lot of about the organization. They might be able to suggest a better candidate for the organization. इसीलिए referrals की higher preference होती है. But again, I am emphasizing on this word, that does not guarantee a call or the interview process. So that's also one thing that you should be aware about while asking for referrals. And I think there is also one mistake that people often do. They do not follow up with the person. So ऐसा हो सकता है कि if you have put me a message, I might have seen it, but I might not been able to find the right time to put the referral then and there. So मैंने सोचा होगा मैं शायद कल रेफरल डाल दूंगा, कल मेरा थोड़ा स्केड्यूल फ्री है, बट कल क्या होता है, कल दूसरे टास्क कर जाते हैं, कल दूसरी माइंड में चीज होती है, तो दे माइट फॉरगेट. सो देर इज एन एक्टिव और यू शुड बी एक्टिव इन आस्किंग फॉर फॉलो अप्स, बट दैट शुड बी पोलाइट एंड प्रिसाइज कि hey, were you able to look for my resume, were you able to look for the profile I sent you? And it also helps in the other process as well. I have received the referral, but have you ever received anything information on that? You can even ask the other person in helping you out. So this acts as an active communication between the other person that can direct you. Let's say there are going to be 4 rounds there. You should prepare for these 2 specific things in the first round, something like for a software engineer profile, I could say something like you should prefer DSA for the first 2 rounds, and you can prepare for the system design in the 3rd round. So these kinds of things help in the longer run if you have an active communication with the other person. You have to respect for their time, you have to respect for their position that they have received. ऐसा बहुत सी बार होगा, you might not receive any reply even after asking for follow-ups. But don't get disheartened. You should be actively asking for referral from all kinds of people in all forms of way. So ऐसा बहुत सी बार हुआ है. I have sent out cold messages to a lot of people for just single position because I do not want to miss that position because it was very overlapping with what I was aiming to, what was I was aspiring for. So there is a high chance that you might not get reply from all 10 people, but you might get a reply from 1 people out of 10. So I think in the timeline you have to find the correct job profile link on the career page. Then you have to create the perfect template message that why you are the best person for that job profile. And then after optimizing or tweaking your resume, you can send that message to that person and ask him politely that if you are willing to put a referral for me. ऐसा होता है दोस्तों, the other people also get some kind of incentive from the organization in some way, so they are also ready to put down your referral, but you should be able to convince them that this is in their best interest to put down a referral. It won't be a waste time of waste for them, and this resume will not act as a thousands of resume already putting in their DB. I think अगर आपके पास वो right set of capabilities हैं, आपने right way में पूछा है, I can definitely say that people will reply to you. Even in my case, I have asked people to change their or tweak their resume in some bit. Even ask them to update their profile with some kind of technologies that will help them advance their chances of getting an interview call. I think if you have these things in your mind while asking for referral, and if you do these things, 4-5 things very correctly and precisely, I'm sure you will get a referral for your job. And you can expect a call from the HR as well if these things fit in the right sense. So with this part, I come to the end of the video. I will like if you have any other further doubts and how to proceed to connection request and how to ask the person in the best way, or what are the different kind of follow-ups you can ask, and what are the different process of interviews that are involved with it. Even I will be making another video for the resume itself. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel for now. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है दोस्तों तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें जितने ज़्यादा हो सके, जो अभी भी जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, अपने कॉलेज डेज में है, इवन इफ दे आर लुकिंग फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स ऑल्सो रिक्वायर सम काइंड ऑफ रेफरल, सो यू कैन शेयर विद ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. इफ यू आर इन प्लेस वेयर यू आर लुकिंग फॉर चेंजिंग जॉब, तो उसमें भी रेफरल काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा. शेयर दिस वीडियो विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स एंड आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.